Happy Thursday, students. So today we are going to be looking at an example of a body paragraph for the strengths and weaknesses essay for writing. And I'm going to be modeling for you how to revise a body paragraph and the supporting details. So we see this example. We have strengths in writing, and then we have a list 1 and 2. Weaknesses in writing 1, 2, and 3. Punctuation, spelling, and ideas. Number 1, with an essay, we do not have a numbered list. That's not how we write an essay. We have paragraphs. And we also do not have a bulleted list. We write in paragraphs. So we would want to change this to show paragraphs. So we have strengths in writing, writing for a long time, and helping other people in their writing. And we need to create a supporting paragraph. So instead of saying strengths in writing, I might use this text box and I might write something like this. My beginning sentence might say something like, my strengths in writing are having stamina to write for a long time and how I like to help people with their writing. So that's just going to be what I would call my topic sentence. That's going to connect us to our controlling idea. This is our main idea, but this is not the entire paragraph. We have to be able to elaborate on that and explain our topic sentence or our main idea. We have to go into more details, give supporting details. For this one, the weaknesses in writing, I might say as my main idea, I might write something along the lines of, my weaknesses in writing are punctuation, spelling, and coming up with ideas to write about. But once again, this is just the main ideas. The topic sentence. It's what starts out our paragraph. So we're going to take these and we're going to turn them into paragraphs. So let me get my text box. I'm going to put it up here in the corner and extend it. So we have our first paragraph and we need to indent it, which means create a space there. And my topic sentence was, my strengths in writing are having stamina to write for a long period of time, and how I like to help people with their writing. Then I might say something, I need to talk more about this stamina that I have in writing. So I could just say something like, writing is something I've always enjoyed. So writing has always been something I have enjoyed. And I might talk a little bit about my struggle at first to write for long periods of time. So I might say something like, at first, I was not very good at writing for long periods of time. However, the more I've written, the more I've improved my stamina in writing. Talking all about my stamina in writing. This is all cohesive, going with this very first sentence. Now, I'm able to write for prolonged periods of time. Now I want to discuss how I'm assisting others in writing. So I might want to talk about that and how I came to learn how to assist others in writing. So I'm going to say my choice to actively assist or actively practice my writing has also helped me assist others with their writing. Because I'm wanting to transition my reader from the thought of me having stamina to me helping others. I want them to follow my train of thought. So, this is why I talked about me actively practicing my writing and how it's also helped me to assist others with their writing. Then I'm going to use a little bit of an anecdote, a personal supporting detail. So I'm going to say, I was asked one day by my teacher to do a peer review of another classmate's writing. I gave my classmate written feedback on their writing, and they took my feedback. But then I'm also going to talk about how giving them feedback helped me with my own writing. So, giving them feedback seemed to improve their writing, but it also helped me to look at my own writing in a fresh, new way. Then I'm going to kind of tie it all together about how I'm assisting others, but I'm also building stamina. Tie it all together. Writing peer reviews has not only helped to build my writing stamina, but also allowed me to assist others with their writing. Then I want to end this paragraph. And the best way to end this paragraph is to transition my reader to my next paragraph. So it's best if my last sentence transitions the reader to the next thought. And the next thing I'm going to talk about is my weaknesses in writing. And I know this, because I know my second paragraph, my main idea of my second paragraph is going to be about my weaknesses. So, I'm going to say, assisting others with their weaknesses in writing has opened my eyes to my own weaknesses in writing. So, we have my strengths in writing are having stamina to write for a long period of time and how I like to help people with their writing. Writing has always been something I have enjoyed. At first, I was not very good at writing for long periods of time. However, the more I have written, the more I have improved my stamina